All right, so we were going to talk about a little bit about what is swap and everything. So the value and benefits of lead retrieval. So what is lead retrieval and why do you need it? Lead retrieval is the process of capturing data at a live event. Key benefits are you're capturing engagement with your prospects and customers. It enables you to have a seamless conversation without having to write down contact information. And you can capture vital notes on the interactions. And those notes will be used at the end for routing leads for efficient follow-up. It's also a cloud-based app, so nothing can be lost on the app itself. Exhibiting at PitCon is definitely a big investment, and we want to make sure you're getting the best return on the investment that you can. Once you're at return from the show, you're excited to follow up with everybody that you spoke with, and the attendees are interested in hearing more about your products. It's definitely quite an undertaking, as we hope you get as many leads as possible. And every lead and note and survey is all in one place directly at your fingertips. You can collect and qualify your sales leads and quickly convert them into sales, maximize your return on the investment, and simplify the collection and lead retrieval process. These are just some things that exhibitors are saying about our lead retrieval: easy to use, simple, straightforward, user friendly. So you have two ways of ordering. You can visit the PitCon exhibitor dashboard and find the lead retrieval link, or you can go directly to the Maritz exhibitor portal and type in your conference and expo name, and then your company name. Our sales team is also available if you would like to order via order form, and we can process the order for you and send a payment link. So how to activate Swap. So we're going to go to either the App Store or the Google Play Store on your device and search by Swap by Maritz. It looks like this lovely S with yellow and white arrows. You will get a 16-digit activation code, which is the same for everybody in your booth. And then you will type in the user's unique registration badge ID number. This is different for each user, and that's gonna how you're going to be able to track your leads by sales representative. Tap activate, and then we do recommend doing this before you go on site, as this app is able to be activated about 2 weeks prior, and that way once you get there you can start scanning. So there's where the activation code goes, badge ID. How to scan a badge. So we're going to tap the yellow bar at the top that says scan QR code. Point the camera lens to the QR code on the badge to scan, as simple as that. You can also manually enter the badge ID number at the top of, and then the swap ID number is found next to the swap symbol on the badge. And then the device will prompt you to enter in the last name, first letter of the last name of the attendee. You can edit contact information via the app. Just click on that little edit pencil icon, and then you can edit or add any information to the attendee's record, whether it's their phone number, email, whatever needs to be adjusted. Obviously, note taking is a big perk of lead retrieval, and we have a simply put notes tab here where you can just click on that and enter in your notes. The notes can be typed manually, or you can use a talk to text function if your device has that feature. You can also rate each lead. You just tap on the stars and the leads can have a rating from 1 to 5. So obviously if it's a cold lead, you would do 1, warm, hot, 5 stars, and so on. You can add a survey or custom qualifiers to your swap app as well. This will be done on your exhibitor portal prior to the event. Just go onto the portal and click on the survey tab. You can create your own survey, or you can start with our standard survey. The question types are many, choose one, and free response. You can also create branching in your survey if you want something a little bit more in depth. The questions can be kept in a standard priority, so you can skip them, or they can be made required. So the user must answer the question before proceeding. This will also prevent you from scanning another badge until that question is answered. There is a text limitation, which is 150 characters, including space and punctuation. Once you're in the app, you're going to scan the lead and tap on the survey tab there in the middle. If you've set your questions to required, there will be a pop-up notification on the screen should you try to exit that screen without answering the question. You can go back at any time to add or edit the responses if you don't have time to fill it out at that moment. Also featured on our exhibitor portal is how to pick a contest or drawing winner. So we have a lot of exhibitors that want to give out prizes, and so they feel they need some sort of paper version to be able to do this. But we actually have the ability on our portal to choose this winner for you. So once you start scanning leads, this is what the dashboard will look like. You click on the booth prize winner on the right-hand side, and it will randomly choose a winner from one of your leads. After the event, obviously, you want to be able to download and export those leads. So we're back to the exhibitor portal. Just click on the leads tab and you can view all the leads here, or you can download them by hitting that download leads button in the top right-hand corner. You can filter the leads via salesperson or demographics or survey answers. And then they are stored in the exhibitor portal for 2 years with as many downloads as needed. The leads can be downloaded and exported via CSV or Excel file. This is some of the information that you're receiving when you scan a badge. Just reach out with any questions about specifics if you are looking for that, but obviously general capture date and time, the salesperson that scanned the lead, name, company, contact information. And before I hand it over to my colleague Macy, I do just want to note that we do have physical devices available as well. The physical devices run the SWAP platform. But if you do not want to use your own phone, we do have physical devices available. So just to keep that in mind, and I'll go ahead and hand it over to Macy.
Thank you, Kelsey, and thank you for sharing all that information. I am Macy, and I am Maritz email marketing representative. I will be your point of contact for your PitCon emails to attendees and help you every step of the way to create and deploy your email. We're really excited about our white glove service, and this is the second year that we're offering it for PitCon. With our service, you'll be able to reach out to a targeted demographic audience to ensure that you're reaching out to attendees in your specific industry and target audience. I'll work with you directly to determine your audience. And then from there, we'll work together to design and create your email, and it will be deployed at your desired date and time, so you can pick when you would like your email sent. Emails can be sent pre-show, during the show, and post-show. We also see a lot of success in email campaigns where you send multiple emails to engage your target audience. Lastly, we supply a full email metrics report post-send, so you can see how the audience engaged with your email. Thank you, Kelsey.
Thank you, Macy. And I believe we're going to do questions at the end. So here is some contact information. You can reach the exhibitor sales team at exhibitorsales@maritz.com. And we'd be more than happy to answer any questions or assist in getting orders placed. You can also call the number on the screen below. And then I believe I am handing it over to Freeman.